welcome back to Good Day. Okay, I'm a little stressed out right now because my daughter has had her cell phone for 3 months, Ryan. I know. She just started middle school, and so I'm freaking out
She's
about
a
this
teenager,
whole
too.
app thing. Well, she's a tween. She's 11.
Well,
She reminds me all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well,
Okay.
she's close.
She's very close.
Yes.
And so you say that there are apps that I should have that she definitely
Yes,
shouldn't have.
we're going to get into why parents should have them
Okay.
in a few seconds. But first, we're going to talk about why teens should not have them. These are
Okay.
bad apps.
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, let's talk about them. There's two different kinds. One's a temporary app, like that'll self-destruct the messages and the pictures, and the other one's an anonymous chatting type app where you can chat anonymously with other people online.
Okay.
And here's why they're bad. So, well, actually, we'll get into why they're bad in a second. I'm going to first identify all of them. So these are the top 9 that are being used. One is Snapchat. That no kid uses Facebook anymore. They just don't do it. Snapchat's where everybody's at. Kik, which is an anonymous messaging app.
Okay.
Whisper, where they can write secrets online and everybody can reveal things that they're secretly thinking. Yik Yak is another one, but this one's a location-based chat one. WhatsApp, everybody's using WhatsApp for chatting amongst themselves and all kinds of crazy, nefarious things. Anyway, we'll go down to why this is bad. So 72% of parents say that they want to know what the kids are doing, and 25% of teens, I'm sorry, 72% of teens are saying that they hide what they do online from their parents. Okay. And the kids don't, you know, it's all secret. Right. It's secret stuff. So here's the hidden dangers. So when you're doing these anonymous apps, they don't know who they're talking to, and some of them are location-based. So Kik. The Kik app, for example, pedophiles use this. This is terrible. Pedophiles use it because there's a location system in it where it'll tell you where the person is that's chatting with you. Not cool. And so they lure them with little different things, you know, just terrible stuff. Yeah. So anyway, when you're using these kinds of things, it's used for sexting, it's used for cyberbullying, it's used for all kinds of terrible stuff. Let's talk about why parents need to start using them. Okay. One, you need to be familiar with them because you want to know what they're doing. So when you look on their phone, you can go, oh, I know what that app is, and see what it is, and you'll know what's going on. But the Drexel University, here's the fun part. The Drexel University did a study last year of 870 adults from 18 to 82 and found that 80% of them are sexting. And you'd be like, okay, old people, they don't need to be sexting, right? Right. But here's the thing, is it turns out that, in relationships, committed relationships, they have an increased intimacy. I see. And it actually creates a better relationship. You said committed relationships. Yes, committed. Okay. Not just like for a hookup or anything like that. Right. Committed relationships. And so they reported happier relationships if they're sexting. And here's the other thing, is when you're using your phone and taking naughty pictures, that can get uploaded to your cloud account. Oh, no, no. Get on all of your devices. Abort. No. You don't need that. So use an anonymous app. Right. Or let's say you're going to have a conversation with somebody that's a little sensitive. You don't want to have that on archive, right? Like if you're angry with your husband and you're like, oh, get on one of these anonymous ones where you guys can yell at each other and then it goes away, so you can't use and go, look what you said to me. Right. Look what you said to me a year ago. That's so terrible. We're good for bringing up old stuff. Ryan, you are awesome. A wealth of knowledge. Thanks. Things I need to remind myself. Hubby. And genius. Keep in mind that we're in the next hour, we're going to be doing how to protect your kids online, different devices and stuff to monitor what they're doing online. And excellent. Good stuff. All right, stick around for the next hour. Ryan, thank you. You're welcome. All right, ladies, back to you.
Some unexpected turns that conversation took. Well,